In this video, we want to design a web page with the following information. We want to put a title for the web page, then we will start a paragraph with this heading, and then we will put a picture of fruits, a general one. Then we need to put this paragraph, and under this paragraph we want to include a table. In this table we want to put the fruit name, and under it the fruit picture, and under each fruit picture its name, then created by, and the students should put his name. So first of all, we have to create our folder. In this folder we want to include all of the pictures, and if we have video you can put video, if you have audio you can put audio, you can put all of them inside this folder. Then we will go and open web expression. So in web expression, first of all, you have to specify the location where you have your folder. So you will click site, new site, empty site, browse. My folder is inside in the desktop and named my first page. Then I will click open, then I will click OK. Here on the left side I have the folder name and all of the information that included in this folder. Where I will design my web page, I will design it in a page in the form of HTML code. So I have to create my HTML page. I will right click on the folder name, click new HTML, and I will name it. When you name it, be sure don't remove .html, and I name it my page, for example. So I have my page here. I will double click on it. Once I double click on it, I will see some here the place where I will design my web page. We have the design view and we have the code view, and if we click split we can have the design view, the code view up and the design view down. Let's go to the code view. In the code view we have 3 important sections in any web page. We have the starting of the HTML code and the closing of the code, so we called it HTML tag. We have the head of the page, so we have the starting head and the closing place of the head. In this head we can write the title of our page. So to write the title, and it will appear on the upper bar of the page, I will show you later. I will open a tag, I will name it title, so automatically you will find it here. Just click, once it is marked, click enter, then close another angle bracket, then automatically the closing of this tag will appear, and your cursor will wait in the middle between these two tags. So here you will write your title. I will write my first web page, okay? And in the body we will write all of the information that will appear to the user. So to do the web page simply and easier, you can go to the design view and start your work on the body part. First of all, I want to write the title, so simply I will copy the title and paste it. I want to put this title on the middle. I want to choose, for example, this font. I want to choose the size X large, and I want to put a background or green one, and I want the text to be colored with dark blue. Okay, next I will insert this title I will just paste it here. If I want to put it in the middle, you can put it in the middle, but I will leave it here. I will change the color, the font for this font, and the size, let's make it large, not X large, and let's do the without background, make it white, and the color I want to choose this color. Okay, so now I want to include the first picture. The first picture I want to use is the fruits, so you just simply click on it and drag it here on the middle. Once you drag the picture, this window will appear for you, and you should write an alternative text about this picture. For I will write here general. Okay, so I have the picture here. You can resize it as you want, and I want to put it on the middle. After this picture, I want to include this paragraph. I will just copy it and paste it. You can make it centered, align, but I see it's better to be like this in the web page, so I will not do any change for the paragraphs. Now I want to insert a table. So to insert a table, click table, insert table. How many rows and how many columns? You have to decide. Here I have only one column, and I have, this one is not, six rows. Okay, so I have 6 rows and 1 column. Okay, I want to resize the width of the table. First of all, I want to drag the first picture, which is apple, and I will write an alternative name for it, and then I will write the name apple. Then I will drag banana, oh, by mistake I dragged it in the same place of apple. I need it here in the new one. Okay, then I will drag the orange. You can write any alternative name. You can write, for example, orange picture, like this. Okay, then I will write orange. Here under the table I will write created by your name. Okay, now let's do a nice design for the table. First of all, I want the table to be on the center, so click on it and put it on the center. I want the text inside the table to be in the center, so click on the picture and put in center. Click on apple, put in center. Okay, if I want the background of a table to be of a specific color, so shade it once you click here, I will go out. Once you click here, once you see this sign, click, the whole table will be shaded. Right click on it, go click table properties, and choose a background color. Here I will choose, for example, this color. Okay, then I'll click apply. You see this is the color of the background. If I want to resize the images, so you just can move like this, drag until outsize, and make all of them with the same size. If we want to put the color, the titles, okay. Now I want to put this one on the middle, and I want to make its font like this, and I want the size to be small. Okay, so I want to see now my web page, so just save, then go file, preview in browser. I will choose Chrome. Here what I have in this bar, my first web page, which is the title. Here I have the fruit, the heading, all of this information are here. If I want to make this table to occupy like 90% of the page, not only this area, I will go back to my web expression and shade the table. Right click on this table, table properties. You see it occupies like 52% of the page. I want it 90% of the page. Then I will click apply, and I will click OK. Then file, save. Once you save, you can go back to the web page and click from your keyboard F5 to refresh it. You see now the table is occupied like 90% from the page, and this is a simple web page. You can also, if you want to change the size of this font, the color of this font, you can do it easily. I go back to do something here. Then click save. Then after that, simply click F5, and thank you.